Hey, so if you want a more private way to search the internet, yeah, DuckDuckGo is one of the best options out there. It doesn't track your searches, and it's super easy to use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use DuckDuckGo step by step. Alright, first, open your browser and go to DuckDuckGo.com. You'll see a clean homepage with a search bar right in the middle. Now, just type anything you want into the search bar and press enter. It works just like any other search engine. At the top, you'll see tabs like Images, Videos, and News. Click on any of these to filter your results depending on what you're looking for. Here's something cool. DuckDuckGo has something called bangs. You can type an exclamation mark followed by a site name to search directly on that site. For example, type bang YouTube plus your keyword to search directly on YouTube. Yeah, so you can also customize your privacy settings. Click the menu icon, go to Settings, and adjust things like Safe Search or Appearance. If you like it, you can set DuckDuckGo as your default search engine. Just go into your browser settings and select it as your main search option. You can also install the DuckDuckGo extension for extra privacy features, like tracker blocking and encrypted browsing. So yeah, that's how you use DuckDuckGo. Step by step, it's simple, fast, and way more private than most search engines. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Hey, so if you